Here we are, Rockingham County Courthouse for 2 court appearances today. We got trial for breach of bail and sentencing for disorderly conduct. So we shall see how this proceeds. Right. You can see there. Unless specifically authorized by a judge, and we have that. It says no video recording, but we got that authorization, so there we go.
How you doing? Oh, camera, okay. Oh, all right, sure. No problem. I don't want to knock it over, that's all.
And this is going to go off. There you go. All right, thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Awesome.
Have a good one.
You as well.
Try it around.
Yeah. Beep, beep, beep. Thank you so much. You too, thanks. What's up, bud? Morning. Good to see you. You know where we're at? Is this the courtroom? Well, there's 2 things. Are both in the same one?
Yeah.
Good to see you too.
Nice shirt.
Thanks. Yeah. Oh. How's it going?
Good, how are you?
Good. Another day. Let's see what we got going on here. Both, I have 2 things in the same court. All right, I just didn't want to be not where it was supposed to be.
The younger guy? Yeah.
What's going on? The priest will enter.
All right, now look forward to that.
All right, good morning, everyone. Thank you. Please be seated. All right, this is State versus Frank Staples, docket number 435-2021 CR 240, and dockets number 435-2021 CR 1692. Attorney Iworski does appear on behalf of the Newfields Police Department. She's filling in this morning for Attorney DeCroce. Mr. Staples does appear. He is self-represented. We are scheduled this morning for a sentencing hearing in the 2021 CR 240. on the Class B disorderly, and then additionally, the matter is scheduled for trial in the breach of bail charge.
They
Are we
dropped
ready to
that charge.
proceed?
Judge, we're gonna go forward on the sentencing order. As I told, Mr. Staples, the state police are here. I had an opportunity to speak with them. Although we are ready for trial, I think in the interest of fairness and equity, he's been convicted of the underlying disorderly conduct charge, so we're going to, use prosecutorial discretion.
How is it underlying when the breach of bail took place afterwards?
I'm gonna null cross the breach of bail
Yeah.
charge, and we're just gonna go forward on a sentencing hearing with the disorderly conduct,
All
if I
right,
may
very
approach.
good. And then I will give you that one. Oh, not one. I gave you that one. This is the breach.
That's somebody different.
All right, thank you.
Thank you.
All right, so with that then, if we're ready, we'll proceed with the sentencing and the state's recommendations. Mr. Staples, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna hear from the state first, what they're recommending relative to the disorderly conduct, which was a Class B misdemeanor in that matter. And then after I hear from them, I'm certainly gonna hear from you as to any recommendations or any position you take as to penalties, okay? So with that, thank you, Attorney Jaworski.
Judge, the state's gonna ask for a $1,000 fine, 500 of that to be suspended for 2 years, good behavior. Your Honor heard the facts and circumstances of this case. This is an individual who has, racked up similar charges, to this, recently.
That get dropped and dropped and dropped.
All right.
He has
Don't
a
interrupt them.
prior conviction for bail jumping in 2013, on February 11th of 2013. It looks like he had 1 to 7 years for a sentence with counseling, mental health treatment. He had a possession of prescription drugs also in 2013 where he was convicted. He had, it's like multiple counts. He received a 12 months time served sentence in that particular matter. He had a possession of a controlled drug with intent to sell conviction in, looks like 2004 out of Hillsborough.
And when is my sentence over? When is the crime done?
Yes,
Mr.
deferred.
Staples,
Fucking
please,
bullshit.
I'm gonna hear from you also.
Yeah.
But she gets to recount
It's
what
fine.
she wants.
She
so
can do whatever she wants.
Thank you.
Another possession of controlled drug with a 9-month sentence. Shoplifting conviction in 97.
I was 17!
Mr.
A juvenile!
Mr. Staples.
So she's bringing up my juvenile record then? I mean, come on! What's really going on
Mr.
here?
Staples, do I need to take a break? Let's just get through.
Let's get through it then.
Telling me what she wants to recommend and about your.
And why? Because of all these past crimes all the way back to when I was 17?
All right.
Get the fuck out of here.
And please with the language. Attorney Jaworski.
Judge, he has a robbery conviction in 97 out of Hillsborough South with a 12-month suspended sentence. That's the first half of his criminal record. He does have an additional 6 pages, but I won't go through every detail with the court. But that's the reason why I am asking for a little bit of an enhanced fine, although I am asking that half of it be suspended for 2 years good behavior. Also, part of that good behavior is that.
Not paying shit. Believe that.
Get,
Mr. Staples.
make sure we have the address. They do not be allowed to respond to that same address where the disorderly conduct occurred, Judge.
Okay, Mr. Staples, you've heard the recommendation of a $1,000 fine with 500 of it suspended. Do you wish to be heard on what you're asking the court to impose within the limits of the maximum amount?
Yeah.
$1,200 fine.
$0. Because I didn't do anything to cause any sort of pecuniary loss or any damage or anything like that. And I also am asking you to reconsider your finding of guilty, because I will be appealing this. I'll put you on notice. And I do want to know exactly what did I do to commit disorderly conduct? Because it was nothing even like what I've been here today in this courtroom. Okay? I didn't do anything that was disorderly. I asked why I was being threatened to be arrested. The man never asked me to leave the area. You've seen the video. He lied in his testimony. So I want to know why I was found guilty to begin with. What? You need to articulate yourself.
Do you wish to be heard on the sentence? You've had your opportunity.
$0. No penalty whatsoever.
Okay, thank you. And I've heard your testimony and listened for several hours at the trial, and I've issued that. And certainly you do have the right to appeal, and I will expect you to do that. So with that, I will adopt the state's recommendation. I will impose a fine of $1,000. $500 of that will be suspended for a period of 2 years for your good behavior.
Put me in jail now then, $50 a day. Let's go. $50 a day in jail because I ain't paying shit.
It's 150.
So,
150, whatever. We do $10 a day. Let's do it.
don't sell yourself short. Are you able to pay the $500 fine? I'm sorry, yeah, $500.
I ain't paying no $500 fine. You gotta be kidding me.
So you know there is an additional time payment fee of $25 that gets added.
Don't care. I ain't paying none of it.
Okay.
Ever.
And so if I'll put you down, it'll be paid in full within 30 days, in addition to...
Say whatever you want to say.
That's what-
Okay? Ain't gonna happen.
We'll be in recess. Thank you.
Yeah.